Esta code passage number 8 start deputation has been permitted by rules to meet staff requirements of autonomous bodies in jobs for which suitable persons with requisite experience may not be easily available full stop in the open market. The practice of asking for service of particular government servants ends upon on several occasions in the landing very junior officers the line for deputation in preference to rally suitable officers full stop. It also amounts to vesting the borrowing organization with the authority of judging suitability or otherwise of government employees for jobs with them and placing premium on government servants manipulation to secure deputation jobs full stop. This practice leaves little room for objective assessment of job requirements and personal placement in real public interest full stop. Paragraph, it has been decided by government the in order to secure selection of really suitable officers for deputation to autonomous oblique semi-autonomous bodies, all proposals for page lending service of government servants on deputation shall henceforth require prior approval of appropriate departmental promotion boards oblique committee set up under S and GAD notification number SOR 3 dated 12th November, 1974 as subsequently modified, wide notification of even numbers, dated 18th March, 1975 and 23rd August, 1976 full stop. Paragraph, in partial modification of the previous instructions on the subject, the following procedure is hereby prescribed full stop. Paragraph, requests for obtaining the services of civil servants, deputation, shall be made by the borrowing agencies to the appointing authorities, requisition for the services of a particular officer by name should not be made by the borrowing organization, nor should it be entertained by the appointing authorities full stop. Paragraph, the sanction for lending the services of a civil servant, on deputation shall be granted by the appointing authority after clearance by the relevant promotion oblique selection board or committee full stop. Promotion oblique selection board or committee shall consider the panel of names of senior most officers proposed for its consideration by the appointing authority and would normally approve the name of senior most civil servants provided it may approve name of a junior officer under the exceptional circumstances given below full stop. Paragraph, where the most in the borrowing organization requires special qualifications which are not possessed by the senior officers full stop, where the senior officer declines to proceed on deputation to the borrowing organization full stop. A person already on deputation may be promoted by the borrowing organization to a higher post within the organization, but before taking such action, the parent department would be informed, which will have the right to object to the promotion full stop in case of dispute between the borrowing organization and the parent department, comma, the matter will be settled by the selection board oblique committee concerned, comma, the borrowing organization may revert a civil servant on deputation with them to his parent department even before the expiry of the deputation period full stop. But before doing so, consultation with the parent department will be necessary full stop. In case of disagreement in this regard, comma, the matter would be referred to additional chief secretary for settlement, selection of junior person for a higher deputation post, or his promotion to a higher grade in the borrowing organization during deputation would not entitle him to claim the benefit of such selection or promotion in this parent department full stop. The period of deputation shall not exceed 3 years as laid down in finance department's policy full stop. The borrowing organization may depute a civil servant, comma, serving on deputation with it for training abroad, comma, but before doing so it shall consult the parent department